My fiancé ghosted me at our wedding. I was left standing at the altar, completely blindsided. After months of planning, she didn't show up. No explanation, just a simple text saying, "I can't do this." I was devastated, humiliated, but I had a decision to make. Cancel everything or take the honeymoon alone. I chose to go. It felt like the only way to escape the questions, the pity. So, I flew to a small beach resort, thinking it'd be a quiet week to clear my head. But on the second day, I met her, Emily. She was sitting by herself at the bar, reading a book and looking completely at peace. We started talking, and for the first time in days, I didn't feel miserable. She was funny, smart, and had this calm energy that made everything feel lighter. We ended up spending the entire week together, exploring the island, laughing over drinks, even sharing stories about the things we'd been through. There was something between us I couldn't explain, but I wasn't ready to admit it. After all, I'd just been left behind. On the last night, as we watched the sunset together, she looked at me and said, "You know, sometimes things fall apart, so better things can fall together." That's when it hit me. Getting left at the altar wasn't the end. It was the beginning. A year later, Emily and I came back to that same island, this time to get married.